Hello everyone, welcome back to Quantum Tech Lab, your go-to place for clear, practical smartphone tips. Today, we're walking through a simple but powerful feature guide how to force stop apps on Samsung that are frozen, unresponsive, or draining your battery in the background. Open the settings page. This is the main control hub of your device, where you can manage apps, storage, battery usage, privacy, and more. Next, scroll down and tap on apps, sometimes labeled applications, depending on your device model or software version. Here, you'll see a complete list of all installed apps, including system apps and third-party downloads. Carefully scroll through the list or use the search feature at the top to quickly find the app you want to stop. Once you find the app, tap on the app's name to open its app info page. This page shows important details like storage usage, permissions, mobile data usage, and battery consumption. Now, see the force stop button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and a confirmation message will appear warning that the app may misbehave if stopped. Tap OK to confirm. The app will immediately close and stop running in the background. Stay tuned for more easy step-by-step tech guides to keep your smartphone running smoothly.